Hi guys, good morning. I'm Gaudensio Bonicelli. Uh, I have this rope. We call this bundle of um, like a bird nest. No? The principle of this is like a bird nest, making a bird nest. Before, it was very messy because it was not properly uh, uh, kept in one bundle like this one. No? Before it was like this, very messy, and to convert it into one bundle, which is very easy to also to disconnect or pull if you need rope like this one. I have this maroon rope. You can easily pull like this, like this. Once you made it into like a bird nest, see, it's very easy to pull. Now, when making this bird nest, all you have to do is to start with this. Like you are going to make a circle, it's a loop, double loop or three loop like this, and then twist your rope like this, and then make a bite, insert under, and then insert on the loop that you made, then make it a little bit tight for the starting point. See, now since this rope, you are going to capture, you're going to insert your finger, two finger, then capture the other end of the rope, and then see this. Now you are going to get the other end of the rope. You have to do pull outward, then catch and pull. Same process, you are going to push with your index finger and then catch with your two finger, which is inside the loop like this. Then since it is in the middle, push with your thumb finger, put your index finger and point finger, then catch the rope like this. Same process, push this rope inside, then catch. Same thing, push with your thumb finger, catch, and then push with your index finger, and then catch, and then this one, another, push with your thumb finger, catch. Just do the same process. See, I put my both finger like this, catch, until you finish the whole length of rope. If you are already more familiar with this bird nest making, using the rope like this, it will become very easy for you. Before I got a hard time to do this, but now, because I always practice makes you faster and efficient. Even though not always perfect, but you could lead you to more faster and efficient. If you having difficulties on pushing your rope with your index finger, just make the rope like this, and the gravity pulls, the rope will become vertical, so you can catch like this way. Okay, then you're going to push on other side, then swing like this, horizontal, then catch, then this one, catch, then catch like this way. Now it's very easy. You can chat while you are making like this, blah blah blah. It will become very easy for you. If you are already familiar, it will become very easy for you to do it this way. Just make sure that you are rolling the rope like this, not just in one place. You are going to spread the rope. Now once you finish, you can lock the rope with the two half hitch like this way. Two half hitch. Now see, it's now okay. No, if you need the rope, you just unlock, remove the half hitch, and then you can pull, simply pull, and it releases itself without restriction. See, very easy. If you want to return, just do the same process. Pull the bind, push the rope on the other side, then catch, then swing like this, catch, swing like, push the other rope, swing like this, catch, and then swing on the other side, catch, and then you can lock the rope or secure the rope with the two half hitch like this. So you have now, you can keep in the drawer or in your bag. Even I think this was 20 meters. This one. See, maybe some say, oh, this is less than 20 meters, but this is 20 meters. You can keep it this way. Thank you for watching.